What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to send money with Ria Money Transfer. So if you're looking for a way to send money via Ria Money Transfer here, well this one is really easy. So first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Ria here and log in into your account. Now you want to go and click on the send button that you see at the bottom center of your screen. Now on the next page here, you want to go and just choose the country that you want to send to. So there are a lot of countries here, go ahead and press on that country. Now, the next page, you need to basically specify how much you want to send and also the payment method that you want to use for paying the transaction here and the delivery method, which in this case going to be the option that your recipient will be receiving their funds. Now, there are a lot of options in here. So, for example, you go and use cash pickup, home delivery, bank, or even mobile wallet here. You could go and just choose whichever you want. Now, from then on, you need to provide some details about yourself. That includes your first name, last name, your date of birth, and a lot more. Go ahead and fill that up and click on continue. Now, from here, you need to provide some details about the recipient. Like, for example, the first name of the recipient, last names, and the country, and the city, province, region, or province. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the wallet. So if you've chosen the option for like wallets, you need to choose the wallet option that is available in them for that specific country. If you choose bank, they will require you to enter details of that bank. But once you've chosen the appropriate wallet here or bank, you go ahead and just enter the banking details or the wallet details here. And once you fill that up, review your transaction, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.